Want to use your Amazon Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker with your iPhone? By doing this, you can stream music or any sound straight from your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to Alexa via Bluetooth. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Connect from your iPhone device. Say, Alexa, pair Bluetooth. Your Alexa device will respond that it is searching for devices. If it couldn't find, then grab your iPhone device. Go to the settings, tap on the Bluetooth, make sure to turn it on. Now see available new devices. Tap on Echo Dots. Make sure to pair. Now go to YouTube, play any music. Turn up the volume of your device and Alexa speaker. Method 2. Using the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Tap the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap on your device name. Now tap Connected, a device under the Bluetooth connections. Here you will see your iPhone device. Just select and pair it. But if you want to connect the same Android device, then you can't, because this phone is already connected. So this is how you can connect your Android phone to Alexa using Bluetooth. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.